Before you take this course, I highly recommend that you complete my other two courses first. This course will be the intermediate level building on ITA Certified Tea courses, Foundations of Chinese Tea, and ITA Certified Tea courses, Chinese Tea Ceremony. If you have completed these two courses, I want to let you know I'm very proud of you. Congratulations on seeking the higher level of skills by going deeper into how to brew Chinese tea correctly. Now, let's get started. You might already know that there are many different styles of brew Chinese tea. It all looks like a big job that requires many steps to get just one cup of tea. But have you ever asked why the Chinese created such a complicated way of brewing tea? Nowadays, there are lots of new and different tea brewers and machines available on the market that can help you quickly brew a cup of tea. But what exactly is different between the traditional Chinese tea brewing method and the modern brewing methods? This is a major point we're going to explore through this course.